whispers drift through ancient trees. The sparrows dance on cedar boughs. The wind bends low to kiss the ground. A robin sings a gentle tune, while silver clouds embrace the moon. Oh, nature sings in every breeze, through rolling hills and towering trees. The birds compose the sky above, a timeless song of life and love. The pine trees sway like ocean waves, guarding secrets forests gave. Mossy stones and wildflower streams carry echoes of forgotten dreams. An eagle circles mountain air with silent wings so strong and rare. And every feather, branch and vine feels like a verse in grand design. Oh, nature sings in every breeze, through rolling hills and towering trees. The birds compose the sky above, a timeless song of life and love. So when the world grows loud and fast, return where quiet shadows last, where every bird